In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure that your work in Microsoft Word is always backed up and secure by setting up an auto-recover feature. This is a fantastic way to ensure that you don't lose progress on your important documents due to unexpected shutdowns or mishaps. So, let's dive right in and make sure your hard work is safeguarded against any unforeseen circumstances. To begin, you'll want to open Microsoft Word and, once you have it up, locate the File menu at the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and you will see a sidebar with various options. From this sidebar, we're interested in the Options menu, so go ahead and click on that. Now, once the Options dialog box pops up, you'll see a list on the left side. Here, you need to select Save. This section deals with all options related to saving your documents, and it is where we will make the adjustments to set up Auto Recover. Within the Save section, you'll find a category named Save Documents. This is where the magic happens. Look for the option that says Save Auto Recover information every X minutes. What this does is quite important. It tells Word to automatically save temporary copies of your work in progress. You can decide how often you want Word to perform this action. Common options are every 1, 2, or 5 minutes, depending on how frequently you want those backup snapshots to be saved. For example, a shorter interval like 1 or 2 minutes is great if you're making rapid edits and can't afford to lose more than a couple of minutes worth of work, while longer intervals might be more suitable if your document changes less frequently. Another setting here that's crucial to consider is the box labeled Keep the last auto-saved version if I close without saving. This is an excellent safety net because it ensures that if you accidentally close your document without saving, Word will retain that last auto-saved version for you. So even if something goes wrong, you have a very recent version to return to. Once you've determined and selected the settings that match your needs, click the OK button to apply these changes. This simple action will enable Auto Recover and equip Word to maintain backup copies of your work at the time intervals you've selected. And just like that, you can rest easy knowing that Word will diligently keep track of your document's progress, protecting you from losing hours of work should something go awry. So feel free to write confidently, knowing that Microsoft Word has got your back with regular backups. Thank you for tuning in, and happy writing.